Oh, Toby's tunnel time. These are spring onions amongst some German marigolds, and they seem to be doing okay. I think Guardsman, I think these are Guardsman spring onions. And over here we have 1, 2, 3 Moneymaker tomatoes, and then over here we have this very special 1, 2, 3 cherry tomatoes, Tim's Taste of Paradise. So that would be interesting. Well, a little gap here. We've got a cucumber over there. I think it's just a gherkin one. We have a very large, going quite well, kiwi. Just a little experiment. And we have some more spring onions down here, come down the side, next to the chard, I think it's called. Rainbow chard. And we have another gherkin here, just a mini one. Right, these 2 tomatoes are cherry tomatoes, and they are sun gold, these 2. And we have also purple sprouting broccoli there, and here with a random interesting mushroom has appeared. And here we have 1, 2, 3 Moneymaker tomatoes, and then 1 sun gold on its own here. So it's a bit of an experimental place. And we've got Mazuma gone to flower, some lettuce and some lemon mint, some random garlic here, and an onion peel that's given us some green onion. So up here we have 3 peppers, 1, 2, 3 there, and we've got some Spanish chilies. I've had to move them up here because they were getting nibbled on my desk. And we've got some turnips I've saved there before they went out in case they got nibbled, but the ones that are out seem to be alright, so I might put them out. And this is a very handy temperature and humidity gauge you've got. Very good. The last one just broke, but that's a good one. So there you have it. And over here on my desk we've got some tomatoes in case any problems with these ones, you see, from the shop, the Morocco ones, I think. So that's where we're at the minute. So I've got some space over here to fill, so I might put some tomatoes when they get a bit bigger over there, and see how we get on. First tunnel, getting there. The peppers and the chilies, like to make them not too sit in water for too long, but they don't look like they need an extra pot yet, so they will need potting on eventually. But yeah, still learning. But that's where we're at the moment with the tomatoes in the tunnel. And I think next time we will have a potato harvest soon out there. They'll be coming soon. And some other bits and bobs. And that's the MRS tunnel over there, the Mrs. tunnel. We're going to go into the next tunnel now. This is very top secret, this one. And let's give a little tour. So we've got foxgloves ready to go out, and they'll flower next year. And I believe these are possibly gherkins. And we've got lots of tomatoes from the shop, and lupins, dahlia in the hospital, and squash, and French marigolds, a sunflower, and I've forgotten what they're called now. These are beans, some salad that's been harvested. Oh, these are the most exciting bit. These are the wild butterfly mix. So we don't know what's in here, but they hopefully when they get a bit older they can go outside the front. I'll show you a picture of that. So we got some coriander here, some tomatoes, I think money makers mainly, and lots of carrots. And we have a peach, and some cucumbers, tomatoes, strawberries, sweet corn, more tomatoes, Japanese medlar loquat, and some more cucumbers I think, and radish, and a kiwi at the back there, 2 of them. And that's where we're at the moment in this one.